Mr. Andrean, your question is, if you have the chance to fix your mistakes, what will you do?
Thank you for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I have the chance to fix my mistakes in the past, then my answer is I will not do so. Because if I fix my mistakes in the past, I might not be like I'm here in here. I might not learn the mistakes there so I can be better myself. Then I also cannot learn how to manage the mistakes. So that's why my answer is absolutely no. I wouldn't go back to the past to just fix my mistakes, but instead I would like to learn from it and move on. Because in the end, we should not grieve for our mistakes, but instead we should learn from them and move on. Thank you.
Mr. Andrean, your second question is, if your best friend is in coma and must undergo euthanasia, what will you do?
Thank you for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If my friend is in coma and must undergo euthanasia, my very first answer will be absolutely no. I will not agree to such a statement saying that my best friend is going to get euthanasia. Because euthanasia is really the same thing. It means the same with killing person, but only with the mercy way. Then how would you know that his or her is willing to die? Do you even dare to rip their life apart from their body? It's your best friend. In this case, it's my best friend. Then I will not do so. Since if you rip a life apart, then without knowing the will of the body itself, it's kind of the same thing as killing him or her. You know, if it is my best friend, I will support him to be healed fully. I will take my friends, I'll go with him to the hospital and then guarding him until he woke up from the coma itself. It means that if you take a man's life without knowing his will or her will, it's the same thing as killing them. Thank you.
Mr. Andrean, your third question is, if you are in a car accident and you must save either your wife or your child, what will you do?
Thank you for the question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If I have to choose either my wife or my child in a car accident, well, frankly speaking, actually it is a hard decision to make. It's really hard to choose between my wife and my child, which is my beloved ones. But if I have to choose one, I will reluctantly choose my wife. As my wife, we together already gone through many paths, many problems, and we survived till here, till together. And I have to stand for that. I have to save my wife for good. Because in the end, you know that the best gift a husband can give to his wife is his time, his sacrifice, and his love. Thank you.